your course is built. But the work around the course, they're getting it reviewed, running it in a classroom, sending learners home with something to keep, usually means rebuilding the same content in 3 different formats. CourseAgent does it for you in 1 click each. Let me show you how. Open any course in the editor. Top right, click Author Tools. 3 working documents, each generated directly from the course you've already built, in the language you authored it in. SME review document, trainer-led guide, learner handout. Click SME review document. This is a Word document of your entire course with structured prompts, ready to send to a subject matter expert. They open it in Word, switch on tracked changes, and reply directly to you. No CourseAgent account needed. You get it back, accept the changes, and update the course. One choice to make. Reviewer, prompt depth. Light, standard, or deep. Deep adds pedagogical critique, learner objective alignment, and assessment validity. Click Generate Review Document. The Word file downloads automatically. No copy-paste, no exporting to PDF, no rebuilding the course in a separate review document. When you scroll down the document, every topic, page, and section is displayed. If a course has a quiz, the quiz questions and answers are displayed as well. Back in the Author Tools menu, click Trainer-Led Guide. CourseAgent reads the duration of the self-paced course and works out a realistic classroom session, longer than the eLearning version, to allow for trainer talk, Q&A, and discussion. You can see the estimate right here. Click Generate Trainer-Led Guide. 2 files come out, packaged as a zip, a PowerPoint deck for the room and a standalone lesson plan for the trainer. Let's open the PowerPoint. You'll notice it has picked up the color scheme applied to the course. Every slide has detailed speaker notes, what to say, what to point out, the answers and rationale for any poll questions. A trainer who has never seen the course can deliver it cold from the notes. Open the lesson plan, timings, learning objectives, materials needed, a section-by-section run of show, and facilitator guidance. This is the document the trainer prints, marks up, and works from on the day. One source of truth, your course, driving both the deck and the plan. They never drift apart. Back in the Author Tools menu, click Learner Handout. This is a short Word document, roughly 2 pages, and that the learner takes away after the course. It's deliberately not a transcript. CourseAgent restates the learning objectives as you can now statements, distills each topic into 3 or 4 named concepts, lists the key principles drawn from your knowledge checks, gives space for 3 reflection prompts, and ends with 2 or 3 concrete actions to take next. Scenario characters, quiz questions, and the full prose of the course are deliberately stripped out. This is reinforcement, not a reread. 3 documents, 3 audiences, your subject expert, your trainer, your learner, all from one source, the course you've already built. Edit the course, regenerate, and every document stays in sync. No parallel files to maintain. CourseAgent, guided by instructional design principles with you in control.